AI website builders are very good at making beautiful homepages, but a homepage is not a business. So in this video, I'm giving GoDaddy Airo AI Builder a harder challenge. Build a paid community where people can create an account, pay for a membership, and access private content. I want to see whether it can handle the parts that people normally need a developer for. Logins, payments, a database, not just colors and stock photos. Along the way, we'll learn together how to use this AI builder. By the end, we'll know what GoDaddy Airo AI Builder can and cannot do. Let's get started with this GoDaddy Airo AI Builder tutorial. But before we start, let me tell you exactly what is GoDaddy Airo AI Builder. This AI Builder is a conversational no-code platform for building websites and web apps. Instead of starting with a template, you describe what you want to create. This could be a simple static website or something more advanced like a membership platform. The builder can generate the pages, copy, design, database, and application logic. And if you're a pro, you can even edit the codes. We are partnering with GoDaddy for this video to build a real project with the Airo AI Builder. They have a generous free plan. Find the link below so you can test GoDaddy's AI Builder for free today. Let me show you now around. When you first log in, you can see here a box where you can add your prompt and start a website. Or you can do what I did and prepare a prompt. As you can see, I'm gonna ask GoDaddy Airo Builder to build me a membership website. It will have the following pages. I'm specifically asking not to use lorem ipsum as I want something close to final copy. I am giving the AI agent details here on what is it the offer will be and what is it I need in there. Because we want to collect payments, the easiest way is to use Stripe. I'm asking Airo Builder to use Stripe to get recurring subscriptions, and I also want to collect members' names and email during sign up. And that's pretty much it. I'm just going to copy it and paste it into the prompt box. Let's go ahead and see what Airo Builder will get us. GoDaddy AI Airo Builder will work for a little bit until we have the first draft of our project. So I have already prepared a different project and I want to show you the backend around. Then when it's finished, we'll come back and check our members coffee club. From the right hand top menu, I select projects. Let's go ahead and check this one out. Once your project is finished, you'll be able to see a preview here on the right hand side panel. And then you can use the left-hand side menu here to refine the project by typing a prompt to the AI agent. When adding prompts here, you can click on the plus button and reference files, take screenshots. That is really useful to correct errors. You can access the media library and upload images that you want the AI builder to use. And you can attach files if you want to. From here, you can access a history of the conversation and restore to a previous version of the project if you need to. And there is a project selector here. One of the basic things you'll need to do is to edit the project a little bit. You might not like, I don't know, the copy or the font or any other small element. You can click on the edit button, this one here, select the element you want to change. And let's say in this case, I want to change the copy. There you go, that was easy. Another way of doing edits quickly could be to select the element, press on this edit with error, and say what is it we want. Let's see if we can make the button orange. There you go, GoDaddy AI Airo changed the button to orange. From the top, you could access other relevant sections. If we click the plus button here, we can access different sections. We have the settings sections where we can do some technical things, like downloading a copy of the project. We can also check the code. Of course, I'm not a programmer, so I'm not gonna touch anything in here. Another useful feature is that you can access the database. Again, this is a bit of a technical thing to do, so if you don't know what you're doing, I would also not touch much around here. Finally, down here, you can change the device. For example, you want to check on a phone how the project looks at the moment. Finally, you have a preview button where you can actually see the project in a full screen. This is of course the way you should be testing your project. When you're done, you hit on publish and your project will be live for everyone to see it. And that's it. That's most of the features that GoDaddy AI Airo Builder has. However, now let's go back to the project we are creating. Hey, the Airo Builder is finished, and as you can see, we've got a first draft of our membership page. We have the pages we asked for, one with the pricing and some FAQs. Then there is not a logo, so I'm gonna say to fix this. And let's see what it comes back with. There you go, it has created our logo, you can see here. Now it has regenerated the logo, and as you can see, the contracts, perfect. I love that GoDaddy AI Airo Builder gives you here a list of the things you could work next with. Definitely, I want to be able to get paid for my membership website when someone registers, so I will click here on Integrate via Stripe for recurring subscriptions. Be aware that for this to work, you will need a Stripe account and create an API token from the Stripe backend and then share it with the AI Airo Builder. As you can see now, GoDaddy AI Airo Builder is asking us to add here the secret key for Stripe. We're gonna go back to Stripe. You will open an account or access your account. From here, we're gonna look for API. We're gonna click on the developer's API key option. We're gonna create a restricted key, and we're gonna select the option that makes sense for us. In our case, it's the first option. Click on continue, and then we want to select what is it needs access for. In my case, I think that should be enough. We name it. We can check on the permissions we're giving to it, and then create the key. We copied it. We go back into GoDaddy AI Airo Builder and carry on with our project. Of course, anyone that has access to these API keys might also get access to your account, so please make sure not to share them with anyone. Of course, after I finish this video, I will delete these keys. Let's now take a look at the preview of our website. We can see the full design for our membership website. As you can see, the website looks pretty cool and does a really good job at explaining what is it. Let's now test the integration with Stripe. Let me give it a name. Let me give it an email address and a password. Let's click on Start My Membership. And as you can see, we are redirected to the Stripe checkout page. I only would need to add my credit card details and go ahead and pay for the subscription. Let's now log in and check how our membership site looks like. Let's go ahead and click on Login. Let's add our email, our password, and let's click on Login. Wow, this is how our membership website's looking and the backend, and this is what users will see. As you can see, the design is quite cool, and we haven't even started tweaking it. We have our coffee course here, the brewing tip of the week, and the coffees for the month users can choose from. Let's quickly look at pricing. GoDaddy Airo AI Builder has a free plan with 50 AI credits per month, no credit card required, and you are limited to one published website or app. If you need more AI edits, the starter plan costs $9.99 a month when billed annually and includes 150 credits. The professional tier is around $25 a month with 300 credits and up to 10 published projects. And finally, if you're planning to use the AI Airo Builder a lot, then you have the ultimate tier at $99.99 a month with up to 750 credits and up to 50 projects published. So that's GoDaddy Airo AI Builder. We started with a prompt and we ended up with the first version of our paid community, but actually works. I'll leave a link below in case you want to test it, and let me know in the comments what is the first thing you'll try to build. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.